Sandabi property. So property stock in general has doing quite quite much better versus the other sector. And you can see the recent uptrend movement was or the breakout movement was I would say has changed or the change the overall outlook from downtrend into an uptrend. So the breakout move on 1st March has created a new so-called up leg. So the subsequent pullback was pretty much mild, and you can see the buy interest has resurfaced again right within the major resistance, turning into a support sub 49.5 cent or 50 cent region. So this is a healthy kind of the pullback. You can see here the prior so-called ascending triangle. So this is something that we call a return move as well. So regardless, we think yesterday again on a back of slightly improving trading volume as the stock forming so-called what we call that harami pattern, which is bound off the 20-day moving average. We think there's a decent chance for the return move has complete and the stock could resume their ongoing uptrend move. So we put our resistance target at 53.5 cent, and of course next target at 58 cent. Then we have Legenda properties, also kind of similar pattern with Sandabi properties as now. However, in terms of the quantum of change or the trend velocity is slightly lower side. However, we think once the stock passed the 200-day moving average on 30 January earlier, has to create a new kind of baseline or new higher structure for the stock. So if you've seen any consolidation, since the downside was appear to be kept right within 50-day moving average, momentum also improving, trading volume quite I think is quite high versus than before. But we think yesterday pick up in the what we call that trading volume could actually signal continuation of the ongoing uptrend. So we expect the uptrend to continue, with the next target is actually pegged at 1 ringgit 38 cent and 1 ringgit 48 cent. Last but not least will be GCB, G Guangchong Berhad. So Guangchong is actually one of our earlier buy, but I think it already hit our second target. So the corrective move that come in recently has been what we call that has been completed following a major reversal move at 61.8 Fibonacci level, as the stock create a form what we call a very large engulfing kind of pattern. So the important part is the subsequent recovery has seen the stock create a new high low structure right above the 200-day moving average, turning the overall bias back into a bullish. So you can see here trading interest continue to picking up, and momentum also improving. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the prior uptrend to continue, as we expect the stock to continue trade upward, with the next target put at 2 ringgit 74 cent and 3 ringgit and 7 cent. All right, that
do 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 do.